All right, guys, we're heading to my boy Nick's house. We're gonna do an install on his G for the Z1 hood strut. He's got a bunch of goodies, man, from Z1, like the hose kit, the throttle body, the kinetic splim manifold, the one that's made out of not metal. I forget what it's called, but we're gonna do an install and we'll see what goes on from there on, man. We have arrived. This is G8. What color is this?
B30.
Not the paint code, but like the actual color.
Majestic midnight.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a pretty rare color for the G's. It's 05, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's got this custom intake. Wait, so all these, where did you get this part?
I have no clue where I got that from. I didn't get it actually.
So it goes down here. And these parts you got from O'Reilly, right? Like the couplers and stuff?
The couplers, yeah. And I actually used 3-inch exhaust pipe, just straight 3-inch exhaust piping.
He did used to have it like up here by the grill. He's got we call it dashboard painted.
Dashboard.
Dash car, NASCAR. Bars. He's got this catch can. Right now he's doing the we call it the fog lights. Yeah, we call them fog lights.
I guess I could call them fog lights.
Yeah.
Custom fog lights.
He's got the we call it spider tail lights. All right, so this is what it. Wait, where's the?
Oh. Yeah, I laid it out right there for you.
So obviously the hydraulics, and then what do you call these? The little swivels.
Yeah, so those are going to take part of the fender bolt, and that's
and
what it
brackets.
actually mounts onto.
High pressure, do not puncture. All right, so the first what are you gonna do? Gonna take that off.
Remove this fender.
Oh yeah, the bolt. Yeah, so that on both sides. All right, so yeah, you're basically replacing the old ones with the ones that Z1 gives you.
Still 10 mil.
10 mil. All right, so now you're taking that bracket off.
Do one bracket at a time. That way we don't lose our line on the hood. Oh, well, we're probably gonna lose a lot of it. Well, I guess we're not gonna be able to do it like we wanted to. I had to take both of them off.
Okay, so as Nick was saying, he took off the both bolts. They're at 12 mil, and as you can see, your hood can come off misaligned. Oh shit! Because you know it's obviously gonna move, so you might have to tweak that after you're done.
Yep.
Okay, so now he's putting on the bracket, and then we're just gonna try to tweak it to where it fits and then get to the line right.
Yeah, so this is what holds the top part of it on. Got a little hole there in the bottom. Slide it through, and basically with that metal rod being right there, it won't let it come off. So once you get your shock on the ball, it'll come from under it. Snap it on. And this will just have to raise the hood up, because that's going to be a pain in the ass.
Yeah. All right, so we just got to doing this side as well. All right, close it. So it's still aligned, right?
A little bit bigger on this side, but I can deal with it.
Yeah, it's still straight. Wait, just like if you let it go to, like, it should just go, right? Yup. Sounds like a spaceship. Yeah, that's hard.
We in the spaceship, boy.
Yo, look at that deer over there. Yeah, that one's got a white. Oh, there's like 3 over there. One has a white tail. Yeah, this is what happens when you want to build McDonald's over, you know, deer's homes and shit. Alright, I just took the car to the car wash. Sorry if my hands are really, if the camera's shaking really bad, man. It's really cold out here, bro, for real. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bro, for real, these deers have been staring at me like, what the fuck is he doing, bro? That's crazy.